Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off front screen in your GoPro camera. Now you will see here we have in this camera front screen. So how do we use this? Now when you power on your camera, you will see here an option. So swipe down to this menu just like that, and here you see this square with X on it, so this one right here. And now you can see we have front screen options. Alright, so the first option here is off. Then we have the first status only, so we see something like that, that we are now in the dashboard. Then the second one is actual screen, so I need to go and select it. And now if I'm ready, you see here my phone just like that. This is okay. And if we go back here and select full screen, we will see now the entire screen right here, so also in which mode we are and the battery and so on. So I hope this video helped you out. How you turn off? Again, you go here to the front screen option and then the first one, screen off, and then hit mark and you will be good. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.